Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to run a sales campaign. If you don't know what a sales ad and why you should run it, then you can click on I button and watch my previous video. In my previous video I discussed all the campaigns in details. Okay, first I click on sales and click continue. First we need to give a name of this campaign. Okay, I'll give a name, then budget. I'll give a daily budget $10. Then click on next. Conversion location, I select website. If you want you can select website and app, website and in-store. Message destinations, app calls. Okay, I select website. My website pixel automatically connected here. Budget and schedule, I select end date. You can customize the start and end date. I want to run the ad for 7 days, so I select the date. You can select your location. Audience, here you can customize the age, gender and detail targeting. I select women and age 50. Detail targeting. Here is my website. It's an e-commerce website. I search here shopping. I search here bag. Okay. Then fashion accessories, clothing, jewelry, online shopping. That's it. Then click on next. Okay, select your Facebook page, ad setup, create ad, manual and format single image or video, carousel, collection. If you want, you can find a video on how to make a carousel on the I button. I select single image. Here I will give my website URL. Okay, now set up creative, click and image add. Click on next. Select the image. I select it. Next. Primary text, headline, description. Okay, I have given the primary text, headline and description. Now we need to add call to action button. Here I select shop now, then click next. Okay, done. Here is my sales ad. If you want, you can track the data of your customer. I have uploading many videos about website tracking. You can watch my previous video. I am uploading many videos about website tracking. Now your sales campaign are done. When you click on publish, the ad will run. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.